Hey guys, today let's learn how do you make a group chat on Snapchat. So in the case that you want to go ahead and create your own group chat so that you could acquire or join some more or maybe one or two more people on your chat. In this case, if you want to go in and also talk to one or more people, I'm going to teach you guys in this video how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So please watch this video until the end to learn how. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. So let's go ahead and switch over onto our devices over here. And once you're already on here, what I want you to do is to basically launch your Snapchat applications. Now, this is going to be pretty easy from here because all we need to do next is to tap on our chat right here. And basically, once you're already on here, what I want you to do is to basically tap on the new chat option right here. And that's going to take you to this option to create a new group chat. Of course, let's just tap on new group. From here, you could also tap in and enter a group name. In this case, let's just name this sample. And now you could also search for the friends or people that you would like to add on your specific group chat. In this case, let's go ahead and add this person over here. You also choose a lot of different people as long as you're friends with them. But basically, once you're done with choosing the specific people that you want to add on your group chat, just tap on chat with group and that should automatically create your group chat on the Snapchat application. And you're good to go. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one and take care.